Bad things happen to you to make you realize your true potential, strength, willpower, and heart. Have faith and stay strong. Good morning, everyone. Welcome again in online chemistry class. Homework question from previous class. Question was identify X and Y in following reaction. X is a vicinal dihalide. It converted into Y after complete hydrolysis. Then product will be dicarboxylic acid. So solution is from structure of product which have two carboxylic group. So which compound gives dicarboxylic acid from complete hydrolysis? That is cyanide. In previous class we have discussed about it. So X is a cyanide compound. Similarly Y, X is a vicinal dihalide which reacts with KCN, then Y is formed. So I repeat, Y is a cyanide compound. Similar from Y, X is vicinal dihalide which reacts with KCN, then Y is formed. So X is and Y is its name is butane 1,4 dinitrile. I hope your answer will be right. In previous class we were doing discuss about haloform reaction. I repeat, in haloform reaction compounds have A or B structure. Give haloform reaction. Compound A on oxidation with halogen changes into structure B. When compound with structure A or B are heated with halogen and base, then through haloform reaction formation of haloform occurs. Now we take two important homework question. Question first for homework. What will be write name and formula of any one alcohol and one ketone which gives haloform reaction. Very important question for your board examination. Now next, second question for homework is how can you obtain 2 bromopropane from 1 bromopropane? Important question for board examination and competitive exam. Now next point is chloroform. Its molecular formula is CHCl3. Write its IUPAC name in comment box. First of all, we read method of preparation for chloroform. First method is laboratory method. In this method, when ethanol or acetone is treated with bleaching powder CaOCl2 and water, then chloroform is obtained. It is known as haloform reaction. It is completed in following steps. Step first is bleaching powder reacts with water and give nascent chlorine and calcium hydroxide like this. I repeat, bleaching powder reacts with water and generate nascent chlorine and calcium hydroxide. Second step is nascent chlorine oxidizes ethanol which have structure A to acetaldehyde which have structure B type compound. So chemical equation will be, it is ethanol molecule have structure A type compound and it is nascent chlorine. After oxidation, acetaldehyde is formed. After removing of HCl molecule, it is B type compound. After removing of two hydrogen atoms from these carbon and oxygen atom, acetaldehyde is formed. Now next, third step. After chlorination of acetaldehyde with nascent chlorine, chloral is formed. So it is acetaldehyde and it is nascent chlorine. After chlorination of acetaldehyde with nascent chlorine, chloral is formed. So it is chloral molecule. Here 3 hydrogen atoms of methyl group in acetaldehyde are replaced by 3 chlorine atoms. So chloral or trichloroacetaldehyde is obtained. Very important. Now in fourth step, chloral is hydrolysis with calcium hydroxide which formed in first step, then chloroform is formed. So it is calcium hydroxide molecule and it is chloral molecule. After hydrolysis, chloroform is obtained. In this reaction or in fourth step, after hydrolysis, 2 molecules of chloroform is obtained. If acetone is taken, then haloform reaction occurs in following step. First step is similar to the ethanol process in laboratory method. Now second step is and third step is here. In second step, trichloroacetone is formed after chlorination of acetone. Now next, in third step, trichloroacetone is hydrolyzed with calcium hydroxide which formed in first step, then chloroform is obtained here, like this. Here two molecules of chloroform is formed after removing of calcium acetate. It is calcium acetate molecule. Now method: in a 500 ml round bottle flask, 100 gram bleaching powder, 200 ml water and 25 ml ethanol or acetone is taken and heated on sand bath. Chloroform from condenser is collected in water, which is kept in a receiver. The chloroform thus obtained is washed with dilute solution of NaOH, dried with anhydrous calcium chloride, then on again distillation, pure chloroform is obtained. It is the method for preparation of chloroform. Now next, second method of preparation of chloroform from sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. When NaOH and chlorine is reacted, then sodium hypochlorite is generated. So I repeat, when NaOH and Cl2 is reacted, then sodium hypochlorite is obtained here. In second step, NaOCl is react with A-type structure compound, then after oxidation B-type structure compound is formed. So it is A-type structure compound react with sodium hypochlorite, then B-type structure compound, which is a carbonyl compound, is obtained here after removing of NaOH HCl molecule. So it is B-type structure compound. In third step, compound B reacts with NaOCl. After chlorination, its trichloro derivative is formed. So compound B, which is a carbonyl compound, react with 3 molecules of sodium hypochlorite, then after chlorination its trichloro derivative is formed. R means alkyl group. Trichloro derivative is formed here. Here 3 molecules of NaOH is removed. Now next, in fourth step, trichloro derivative of compound B reacts with NaOH, then chloroform is obtained like this. Hydrogen is connect with CCl3, then chloroform is obtained after removing of sodium salt of monocarboxylic acid. Now next, third point or third method of preparation of chloroform is from chloral hydrate. From chloral hydrate, it is chloral hydrate molecule, exceptional compound which have two OH group on a same carbon atom. It is a stable compound. So when chloral hydrate is react with aqueous NaOH after hydrolysis, pure chloroform is obtained here. After removing of sodium formate and water molecule. I repeat, when chloral hydrate reacts with aqueous NaOH after hydrolysis, pure chloroform is obtained. Now we take a question for exercise, which is best reagent to obtain pure chloroform. Very important. Solution will be chloral hydrate and aqueous NaOH. I hope you liked this video. Please do share and like all videos in your friend circle. We shall meet again tomorrow at 9 AM. Thanks for watching.